In the previous video, we have used animation from the page builder to animate items of the page on which we are going to navigate. In this video, we are going to use secondary animation to create exit animation for those items. So let me show you in the code what we are going to do. So I'm going to create exit animation for this text button. So first of all, we need to create object for the secondary animation. Now I can pass this secondary animation to the second page. Now here, instead of using multiple animated builders, what we can do, we can merge two animations using the listenable.merge. So here I'm going to pass animation and the secondary animation. So how this constructor is going to work? So whenever this animation is getting value or this animation is getting value, it will call this builder, right? So instead of using multiple animated builders, we can use a single animated builder. So here we need to check the status of the first animation, primary animation. So if it's completed, it means the secondary animation is getting values. So we are going to create exit animation. So the first, beginning would be 0, right? And the ending would be -2. If you are going to move this object to the left hand side, then you can use -2. So in this video, I'm going to move this object to the right hand side. So that's why I'm using 2. So now I think everything is set. So here I need to pass secondary animation, and now we can remove this chain. So let me hot restart. So go back to third. Let me add some duration. So as you can see, it's animating. I hope you found this video helpful. If you want to learn more about Flutter, you can subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.